Welcome back everyone to the next information-loaded video from Studio 5 Drone Productions. Today we're talking about drones. Whether you're just thinking about getting a drone or you just got one and have no idea what to do with it, this video is your guide. We're diving deep into the essential gear that every beginner drone pilot needs to get up in the air and start capturing some epic footage. We're talking about the stuff that's going to make your life easier, your footage smoother, and your flights, well, less crashy. Let's dive in! Alright, first things first. The drone itself. This is where it all begins, the core of your aerial adventures. This is the heart of your setup. The thing that's going to be soaring through the skies, capturing breathtaking views, and giving you a bird's-eye perspective. Now, as a beginner, you don't need to break the bank on some crazy professional rig. You can start with something more budget-friendly. There are tons of awesome beginner-friendly drones out there that are affordable, easy to fly, and still pack a punch when it comes to features. These drones are designed to be user-friendly, so you can focus on learning the ropes without getting overwhelmed. I'm talking about drones like the DJI Mini 3 or the Autel Evo Nano Plus. These models are perfect for those just starting out with a $400 to $700 price point. Anything less expensive is considered a toy and not as responsive or reliable. But that's just our opinion. These bad boys are lightweight, which is super important for beginners. And they've got these intelligent flight modes that'll make your footage look like $1 million, even if you're just starting out. Features like autofollow, obstacle avoidance, and return to home make flying a breeze. Seriously, they practically fly themselves. You can focus on getting those epic shots without worrying too much about the technicalities. Pro tip: always check the weight of the drone and the regulations in your area. This is crucial to ensure you're flying legally and safely. In America, if your drone weighs more than 250 grams, you have to register it. Some countries have rules about registering drones, especially if they're over a certain weight. Make sure you're aware of these regulations to avoid any legal issues. Okay, let's talk about batteries. Drones are awesome, but there's one downside: battery life. Most drones will give you maybe 20-30 minutes of flight time on a single battery. That's why you need extra batteries. And not just one extra battery. I'm talking 2, maybe even 3. This way you can swap them out and stay in the air longer. And to make your life even easier, get yourself a charging hub. Alright, so you've got your drone, you've got your batteries. Now let's talk about storage. It's one of the most crucial aspects of your drone setup, because what's the point of capturing all this amazing footage if you have nowhere to put it? You need reliable storage to keep your memory safe. We recommend SanDisk Extreme Plus or Samsung Pro Plus. This is where micro SD cards come in. They are small, portable, and can store a lot of data. And not just any micro SD card. You want a high-speed card that can handle the demands of 4K video recording. This ensures smooth and uninterrupted footage. Look for cards that are specifically designed for action cameras or drones, as they offer better performance and durability, like the SanDisk Extreme series. These cards are known for their reliability and speed. When it comes to storage size, bigger is always better. More storage means more footage and less worry about running out of space. Trust me, running out of storage space mid-flight is not an experience you want to have. Always be prepared with ample storage. Okay, time for a little real talk. Crashes happen, especially when you're just starting out. That's why I highly recommend getting yourself some propeller guards. These little lifesavers attach to your drone and provide a barrier between those spinning blades and, well, everything else. And while we're on the topic of propellers, you should definitely stock up on some spare props. It's better to have them and not need them than to need them and not have them. Let's talk about landing pads. A good landing pad can make a world of difference, especially if you're flying in areas with uneven terrain, tall grass, or dusty surfaces. Imagine this. You're out flying your drone. You've just captured some amazing footage, and now it's time to land. But the only problem is, you're in the middle of nowhere, and the ground is covered in rocks, sticks, and who knows what else. That's where a landing pad comes in. Look for a landing pad that's lightweight, portable, and easy to fold up and take with you on the go. So you've got all this awesome gear, but now you need a way to keep it organized and protected. Whether you're a professional drone pilot or just a hobbyist, having a reliable way to transport your equipment is crucial. That's where a dedicated drone carrying case comes in. It's not just about storage, it's about ensuring your gear is safe during transit. These cases are specifically designed to keep your drone and all its accessories safe and sound. They offer tailored compartments that fit each piece of equipment perfectly. They've got compartments for everything: your drone, your controller, your batteries, your spare propellers, you name it. Each item has its own designated spot, reducing the risk of damage. A good carrying case will have a hard outer shell that can withstand bumps and drops, protecting your valuable equipment from external impacts, and a soft, padded interior that keeps your gear from getting scratched or damaged. The padding absorbs shocks and keeps everything snug and secure. It'll keep your gear organized, protected, and all in one place. No more worrying about losing parts or damaging your drone while on the go. Let's talk about mobile device mounts and sunshades. A lot of beginner drones rely on your smartphone as the monitor. You connect your phone to the controller, and boom, you've got a live view of what your drone sees. That's where a mobile device mount comes in. It attaches to your drone controller and securely holds your phone. But what happens when you're flying on a bright sunny day? That's right, glare. A sunshade attaches to your mobile device mount and blocks out the sun, allowing you to see your screen clearly. All right, drone enthusiasts, that's a wrap on today's essential gear guide for beginner drone pilots. Remember, safety first. Download that drone app, read the manual, and practice in a wide-open area. Start small, build your skills, and most importantly, have fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more awesome drone content, and let me know in the comments down below what your must-have gear is for flying. Until next time, keep your blades spinning and your footage epic.